Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, okay. I feel like they know that you're wanting the truth from them, right? And I feel like this person has been going through things with an ex, with family members, friends, whatever the situation is or your situation is. And at one point they were confused. They didn't know what they wanted to do. And they felt like they lost you because they did make a bad decision. And see, now they're coming out of that energy. And I feel like they've been in conflict within themselves. And it's like, I know what I need to do. It's crossed with the star. So the way the star came out, some of you guys could be dealing with an Aquarius. If not, it's like this person is trying to hold on to hope that they can get you back, but at the same time, they feel like it's not going to happen. Yep, they're afraid that things are not going to improve. Tell me more. Yep, somebody could have been dealing with a Cancer, but I do feel like they want to move forward with you. Somebody's coming back, guys, because I feel like they're going to ask you out. Somebody wants to take you out. Clarify the Three of Cups. But I do feel like there's this heavy emphasis on you're not going to take them back because they did put you in a third-party situation. See what I'm saying? Look. They definitely did. But this is basically telling me that they're going to remove themselves from a third-party situation, but they know that you're disappointed in them. Remember I told you guys they're trying to free themselves from that ex. Alright, so let's see. Yep, there was a tower moment. See what I'm saying? The universe, they were taking too long, guys. So there was some type of shakeup. The universe set up. There was a shakeup here. And see now, you see how this person is free? They're no longer feeling trapped. They're no longer feeling stuck. They're coming to speak their truth. Excuse me. Somebody could have been dealing with a Taurus. Why is the Hierophant here? Why is the Hierophant here, please? Okay. I'm seeing two different things. So, this person that messed up, they definitely want to come back because they want to have a commitment with you. They see themselves being with you. They see themselves marrying you. But there's a problem. The problem is this ex that's in their life. This person definitely was in a codependent relationship or they were in a codependent marriage. It's one of the two. And at the end of the day, they're trying to free themselves out of it. They're trying to get out of this relationship or this marriage. And I feel like they're going to come back to you to give you an offer. They're going to come in and speak their truth to you. But they know that they have to work really, really hard to win you back because they messed up bad. But see, I'm telling you, this person's going to come back because they want to turn things around with you. Oh my God, I fell out. Let's see. They're coming back, guys. They're going to want to turn things around here. And see, yeah, they were in limbo in the past. Remember I told you they were confused? Now they're not. They know what they need to do. Somebody could have been dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I do feel like this person knows that they hurt you. Yeah, they left you out in the cold. They ghosted you in the past because of this third-party situation. And they're hoping that you can forgive them because, see, they're planning. I'm telling y'all, they're coming back. They want a new opportunity with you. See? They want a new beginning. Look at that. But in the past, they didn't balance things out. You were the one putting in the work to try to get the relationship off the ground. They weren't. And see, now they're having a hard time because of that. They don't see what I'm saying. They don't know what to do. They don't. Somebody could have been dealing with a Leo. But I feel like they just don't have the strength to come towards you right now because this person is still going through some karma here. They're just not moving forward right now. Tell me more. Yeah, because look, they're beating themselves up. They were being very immature and childish towards you in the past. Libra, or it could be, you know, cross-watcher if you were dealing with a Libra. Yeah, I feel like this person was being really harsh to you. And see, I feel like they're going to rush in. The moon tried to jump out. See, they want to rush in to speak their truth to you. And they're going to tell you they're single. They're going to, whatever situation that they were in, relationship, marriage, mama, They're getting out of it. They're freeing themselves, okay? Let's see. See what I'm saying? Look at that. They made a decision. 2 9s. I'm telling you, whatever karmic cycle that they were going through is ending. It is ending. But this person is still not using their intuition. Let's see. Why? Okay. They're not using their intuition because of the fact that they were being a player in the past. This person was like in and out, hot and cold, that whole energy. And I feel like they're scared. They're scared to come back to you because, see, I feel like in the past, they tried to come back to you wanting to start something new, and they could have made promises or told you they were done playing games and, you know, they really were going to work with you and the whole 9, and then all of a sudden, they left again. So now they're kind of like, if I go back to him or her, I don't think they're going to believe me because I've already said this one too many times. But see, Spirit is saying they're going to come out of being frustrated. And see, in the past, this person was moving really slow. And now they're getting ready to pick up the pace. They're coming. Because they do want things to improve between the two of you. Tell me more. All right, let's see. Yep, but they can't sleep. They're frustrated. They're frustrated about everything that they put you through. And see, they know they had you waiting, guys. They definitely had you waiting. And I feel like now they're coming out of that energy. But see, they're still trying to make a decision. Tell me more. Yep, this person definitely took some type of financial loss. And they're upset about it. And they're going to have to speak their truth to you. They're going to speak their truth. They're going to let you know what happened. Tell me more. Yep, there was some type of argument, I feel like, over assets. That's what I'm saying for some of you guys. I mean, it's so many scenarios. There was some type of, like, for some of you guys, it could have been business dealings. There could have been a marriage. There could be children involved. I mean, just take it however it fits. But there was some type of arguing going on over finances for any one of those categories. Or it could have been a situation to where somebody was helping out their mama. Okay, so somebody could have been helping their parent, their mom, whoever out financially, and there have been arguments because this person has been losing out financially. Like, they're like, I make good money, where's my money going? Oh, it's going to family members, it's going to an ex, it's going all over the place because you're helping everybody else but yourself. And then it's like you guys are feeling some type of way because I feel like there was conflict between the two of you because they weren't giving you guys the same energy that they were giving to other people. So this person knows that they started a lot of drama. And see, they're sad. They're definitely sad because of it. And they're not happy. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But see, this person is afraid that they're not going to be able to build with you. They feel like you don't want to deal with them anymore. But they definitely want things to improve between the two of you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Gemini, but this person loves you. And the seeds that they planted with you, they definitely want it to grow. See, they want stability with you. They see themselves being with you long term, but there's been somebody standing in the background making sure that it didn't happen. And it's because this person was helping them out financially, or this person just has a lot of money and they saw financial security with them and they're doing whatever they can to keep them. And see, there's communication coming in. Tell me more. Okay. This person wants to talk to you. Because even the way the 8 of Wands came out, it's like they want to talk to you, but they're taking their time to speak their truth. And it's because they're not being positive. And because they were being sneaky in the past, guys. They definitely were. And I do feel like they are going to clean up their act. And when they come to you, they are going to have confidence. But see, they're scared still because they're afraid, like, man, he or she is not going to give me another chance. They're not. And see, this is why they're having a hard time. Somebody could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Tell me more. You didn't come out. Let's see. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but I feel like this person definitely did not bring balance. There's a lot of fear here. And they're scared that you're going to cut them off again when they come back. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. See what I'm saying? There's 2 people here. There's 2 people. Look at that. Oh. Something said put this here. Okay. Hold on. Look at that. See, there was 2 women here. Or there's 2 men. Remember I told you guys, whatever the situation is, whether it's family, mama, the ex, friends, whoever. There was somebody after your person's finances. This is the issue. That's why you had to cut them off, because you're like, I'm not dealing with the back and forth. I'm not dealing with this third party mess. You just weren't having it. And see, you let this person go. By you basically standing up for yourself, you put your foot down, you set them boundaries, you're no longer dealing with that nonsense. Now all of a sudden this person's going to come in to give you this offer that you deserve. You had to cut them off. Back and forth about what? Having a victory. This person wants a victory with you, but they feel like they're not going to get it. See? They feel like if they come back to give you this offer, you're not going to take it because of everything that they put you through. This is why they're not talking to you. This is why there's no communication. Because, see, this person is going through lessons. This person is sitting back thinking about everything. And you could be dealing with a Virgo. But, see, there was somebody interfering. Somebody's mama. I'm so glad y'all can't see my face. Anyway, if it's not like somebody's mother, grandmother, family member, they could have been dealing with someone with fire in their chart. But there was definitely some interference here. Somebody could have been dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Tell me more. Yep. Okay, so this person that they were dealing with, it was just some toxic energy here. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. But I feel like at the end of the day, they're scared. This person is afraid that you are going to reject them because they rejected you in the past because of the nonsense that they put themselves in. So even though they want a commitment with you, they feel like you're not going to take it. But this person does not want you to walk away from them. But they feel like they're not going to be able to have wish fulfillment with you. They're not going to be able to have a family situation with you. And see, they want to balance things out. But I'm telling you, somebody's going to have to give to the other person financially. That's what I'm saying. Somebody's trying to still balance something out between you and family, you and like somebody still has to give. Tell me more. What I was saying is that this person wants to come back to basically balance things out with you, but they have to give to someone else. But see, because of that, they know that they stabbed you in the back. You know, and this is why this person is afraid that you're not going to take them back. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this is why this person is dragging their feet. I'm telling you, they're scared of you rejecting them. And they're going to take a leap to come back towards you. They are getting advice from someone to figure out how to even approach the situation. Because I'm telling you, look, they're going to give you the Ace of Cups, but they're afraid that you're not going to take it. Some of you guys are dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But this person doesn't want you to cut them off due to what they did in the past. And they're hoping that you can move past it once they come to you and speak their truth, because they know that they have to prove themselves to you. They could have been dealing with a Scorpio, or you could be dealing with a Scorpio, but I feel like they're just really afraid that they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you because of their arrogance. Like, the person that you were dealing with was very arrogant. Their pride got in the way. Their ego got in the way. And I just feel like they know they messed up big time, and they want to have stability with you. Could have been dealing with an Aries if I didn't say it, sorry. But they're stuck. They're stuck right now, and they're trying to make a decision because, see, the situation that they're in right now, they don't have a happy home. And they're afraid if they come to you, they're not going to have a happy home with you because you're going to shut them out. So right now they're trying to come out of being frustrated, but they cannot stop thinking about what they did to you in the past. And this is why it's slowing down the progress, the process of them coming back towards you. But they're coming, but they still have some stuff to work on. So you guys just continue to focus on you. This person is going to come back to you to give you the truth.